Before we start this video, I would like to ask you a question. What is a light year? There might be many misconceptions about light year, but to keep it short but brief, we won't be talking about them. In this video, I have gathered interesting and knowledgeable information about light year which would help you understand light year in a better way. So let's start. Milky Way, the galaxy in which we live in, is so vast that it is beyond our imagination. If we simply express this distance in kilometers or miles, we will get extremely huge numbers. In the 20th century, astronomer Robert Burnham Jr. found a method of expressing the distance in light year which could be understood by all. He did this by relating the light year to the Earth-Sun distance. The term year may be misinterpreted as a unit of time, but it's actually the unit of length. Do you know that by coincidence, there are 63,000 astronomical units in 1 light year and 63,000 inches in 1 mile? Light is the fastest thing on the earth. It travels at an incredible speed of 300,000 kilometers or 186,000 miles per second. If you could travel at the speed of light, you would be able to circle the Earth's equator about 7.5 times in just a second. Throughout the universe, light travels at exactly the same speed, about 670 million miles per hour. We don't usually think about light traveling anywhere because when we turn on a light switch, there it is. We don't have to wait for the room to light up. It happens instantaneously. A light year is how astronomers find the distance in space. It's expressed by how far a beam of light travels in a year, which is a distance of 9.461 trillion kilometers or 5.879 trillion miles. Traveling to the moon in light speed takes about a second and a half, and to the sun takes about 8 minutes. Can you even imagine traveling at a speed where you cross nearly 200,000 miles every second for 8 full minutes would only get you to the center of our solar system? The fact that light takes time to get anywhere has an interesting side effect. If you are seeing a star at night, you are actually seeing the star in the past. It's even possible that the star you are seeing is not even present there at that time. So it means that while the world is developing every day, the sky you see is still in the past. Isn't this sounds crazy? The nearest known star other than the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is 24 trillion miles away, but to an astronomer it's just 4.22 light years away. In other words, it takes the light from Proxima Centauri 4.22 years to reach the Earth. Our galaxy, Milky Way, spans around 100,000 light years from one end to another end. Putting that into perspective, the duration of recorded human history is roughly 5,000 years. So light from a star at one end of our galaxy takes 20 times longer than all of recorded history to get to the other end. Moving beyond our galaxy, it's just over 2 billion light years to our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. The light we currently see from that galaxy was left there about the same time the ancestors of modern humans were first discovering stone tools. Last but not the least, the light we see coming from the farthest depths of the universe has been traveling across the cosmos for almost 3 times longer than our planet has existed, nearly 14 billion years. But we cannot say that the edge of the visible universe is 14 billion light years away. A galaxy whose light took 14 billion years to reach our little planet has moved even further away. The current distance to that place, if we stop the universe from expanding and measured it, is just over 46 billion light years. Even in light years, measuring distances across the universe becomes unimaginable. But measuring in something familiar like miles is truly humbling. From here to the edge of our vision spans a distance of approximately 276,000,000 and so on miles. And it's getting bigger every day. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment about how was the video, and don't forget to subscribe and also support my channel.